Hello folks, welcome to another edition of Cheap Munch. I, as usual, am Mr. Cheap Munch, and today I've got for you Stagg chili pub style meal. Yeah. Now, they reckon this would be something you'd actually get in a pub. I mean, even like some of the cheapest pubs in Britain. Let's go for a chain. Wetherspoons. Now they own like loads of pubs. They are sort of like the traditional pub. They're not a club. As in, like, they just serve drinks, food, and generally only stay open until about 11. So yeah, even in a place like that, you'd get something a lot better than this. So okay. Stagg though, it's not a very bad make. I mean, I've had stuff by Stagg before. It's been quite tasty. But a funny story about this. When I was younger, because Stagg has been in for quite a while, when I first saw Stagg chili, I thought, my god, that chili has stag in it, or deer. And I was like, yeah, I want to try that. And then as I got a bit older, I was like, that's just normal beef in there. Yes, I'm a noob, I know. Anyway, this is something you just bung in the microwave. Simply heat and eat. You like their little rhyming heat and eat there. So let's see. Oh, apparently this counts as one of your 5 a day as well, probably with all your beans in it. Yeah, so I've got minced chilli with beans and rice, minced beef with kidney and pinto beans, and a spicy chilli sauce. A legendary taste experience. Right, if this is anything less than legendary, then I shall call down the wrath of Barney Stinson on you. Yeah. So in a microwave 3.5 minutes. Pierce the film lid several times. Knife! See that several times? Who knows? And it just made a weird sucking noise as I did that. Anyway, I shall be back in 3.5 minutes. Jump cut. Hello folks, I'm back. And oh yeah, you may have noticed that there is a lineup of dog treats at the back. As is wont to be popular in pound shops lately, they are doing the 4 things, there you go, 4 things for £3. So instead of just £1 each, I actually managed to get my dog some 4 packs of treats for £3. So that's for the Munch dog, and no, I won't be trying them on my channel. Yeah, so chili, 3.5 minutes, and it is now hotter than the surface of the sun. I'm kind of guessing that this might be spicy because I've had, like I said, I've had Stagg chili before, and it was kind of spicy back then, but that was quite a while ago, and my taste buds have matured since then. Oh dear. Okay, and that is one massive hard blob in the middle. Seems everything's kind of yeah. Right. Yeah, giving that a good little mix there, and it actually doesn't look too bad now. Smells fantastic. So yeah, kind of looking just a little oily on the top, but that's probably just the fat from the mince. So let's give this old Stagg a try. Now, luckily I'm not too bad with kidney beans, but I've got a pint on the front there and a kidney on the back, and whatever else mixed in the middle. There we go, down the hatch. Yeah, that's great. Perhaps could do with a little bit larger pieces of meat. They are quite tiny and I've got stuck in the recesses of my back teeth. That is in no way spicy either. That is that is a chili with no spice. But yeah, if you see these in your pound shops for £1, it isn't too bad. I mean, that's quite a heavy meal there. That's going to fill me up for the rest of the night. I would suggest you get these. So please like, subscribe and all that guff. I shall see you guys on the next Cheap Munch.